What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Listen, I want to have a quick video where I introduce you three unsecured credit cards for individuals that have bad debt. I think these are three easy opportunities you guys take advantage of if you have credit challenges. Before we get started, again, I am Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. You know, on the Mr. Short Dollar YouTube channel, we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, real estate investing, and business. We have over 300 videos on the YouTube channel. We have a grant playlist with over 150 grant opportunities. We cover topics like business management, business operations, and business strategies. To stay updated with all the great information that we currently have on the YouTube channel and also the information that we have coming down the pipe, hit that dollar sign in the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell to get notification each time we upload a new video. Okay, let's go to these different credit card opportunities. The first one, this is from Petal. This is the Petal one, no annual fee Visa card rather. The credit amount range from anywhere from $300 to $500. You can request a credit increase from, and I also want to add, all three of the links for these different credit cards are in the description section of this video. You have a credit range from $300 to $5,000. You can request an increase after 6 months of making on-time payments. They don't necessarily go off your past credit mistakes. They go mostly off your different ways of evaluating, like your banking history. Some of the pros of this is that, again, there is no annual fee. Helps build your credit, on all three agencies. No pre-qualification. Well, pre-qualification without any kind of hard inquiry. Some of the cons and some of the things against getting this card is more likely you'll have a high rate. Again, these are for people with fair or challenged credit. So it's going to be a potentially high rate with a credit card, and you might get a balance starting off as low as $300. Again, this is the Petal One Visa no annual fee card. The second one is the Credit One Bank Platinum Visa Cashback Reward Card. Okay. Some of the pros of this one is 1% cash back on some categories. You get an opportunity to get a free credit score. Again, this one here, you can also pre-qualify with having a hard inquiry on your credit report. Some of the cons about this is going to be a high APR, around about 24%. Most of the initial cards, not most, but some may be as low as $300. There is an annual fee. That first year being $75, and then after that be $99 a year. That's the Credit One Bank Platinum Visa. It's a cashback reward card. And this last one here, again, these are cards for people with bad credit or challenged credit, whichever verb you want to use. Adjective you want to use rather. This last one is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. It's for people kind of like fair credit, credit scores anywhere from that 580 to 669 range. Some of the pros with this card is the pre-qualification without a hard inquiry, have potential for higher credit balance, higher available credit after 6 months. There is no annual fee. Some of the cons is a high interest rate, around about 27%, and there are no rewards with it. Okay. Again, guys, these are three credit cards, unsecured credit cards for people with bad or challenged debt. And I want you guys to hop on top of it if you have issues or whatever. At least the least what I do want you to do, I'm introducing it to you. Just find some information out about it. Look into it. I gave you a couple of pros and cons. You'll be able to do some research on your own with doing it. We don't endorse any card or any kind of company on Mr. Short Dollar. What I do is just try to provide information for you guys to get on top of and find information about. But again, we have a lot of people to reach out to us that may have credit challenges. So I just want to introduce you three opportunities you guys can take advantage of. Like I said, the least, just do some homework and find out, if this is something that's going to be applicable to you in your situation. Again, I am Deonte Burden, aka Mr. Short Dollar himself. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, Mr. Short Dollar. The links to these card applications is in the description section of the video. Best of luck to you guys and take care.